Dear students, in the last session we have discussed what are alcohols and what is their classification. So in this session we will discuss about the naming of these alcohols. As you know, the corresponding organic compounds are generally named by two systems. One is common or trivial system and another one is what? IUPAC system. As you all know, the common naming or the common names of the compounds given by their source of origin or what on the basis of their properties. An IUPAC system will be given what? A common name for all the compounds based on their what? Certain rules. So let us discuss about naming of these alcohols. Nomenclature. So as you all know, the given organic compound is named by two systems. So the first one is common system or common name, and another one is what here? IUPAC system or IUPAC system. So in the common system, these alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols. In IUPAC system, these are known as alkanols. Right? So this alkyl alcohol is derived as the E from the alkanes. It is an alkane. E from the alkane is replaced by the suffix called as alcohols. Right? And this becomes as what? Alkane becomes as alkyl, and this suffix becomes as alcohol. The name becomes as what here? Alkyl alcohols. And similarly, for IUPAC system, the corresponding E from the alkane is replaced by the suffix called as what? OL, alkanol. Right? So let us discuss some examples for these two systems. So that I will write it as compound and their common name and their IUPAC name. So as you all know, in the common system, alcohols are called as what here? Alkyl alcohols. If I give CH4, it is called as what? Methane. As you all know this one. If it is called as methane, this becomes as what? Methyl. And methyl means what? If it is attached with one OH group, we have to replace one hydrogen atom and we have to attach what? Your OH group. Now this compound is called as alcohol and its common name becomes as what? Alkyl. Means what? Methyl. OH means what? Alcohol. Methyl alcohol. In this way, we have to name the compounds. So the first compound we will take a simple example, this one only, CH3OH. So what is the common name of this compound? This becomes as alkyl alcohol means what here? CH3 called as what? Methyl, and OH called as what? Alcohol. So this becomes as what here? Methyl alcohol. And the IUPAC name of this compound becomes as methanol. This becomes as what here? Methanol. Let us take another example, CH3, CH2OH. Right? So the alkyl group is what here? Ethyl group. So therefore the name becomes as ethyl alcohol. And it's a common name, its IUPAC name becomes as what here? Ethanol. Let us go for another example, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So what is the name of this compound? The common name becomes as N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. So we are using the word called as what? N. N represents what? Normal chain. That's why the common name becomes as N-propyl alcohol. And its IUPAC name becomes as, the OH group is present on the first carbon atom. Therefore, the alkane group is what? Here? Propane. And where the OH group is present? It is present on the first carbon atom. Therefore, the name becomes as what here? Propane. And the OH group is present on the first carbon atom, propane 1 or you can also write it as propanol also, or 1-propanol also. Right? And let us take another example, CH3, CH OH and then what here? CH3. So this compound is commonly called as isopropyl alcohol. This compound commonly called as what here? Isopropyl alcohol, and its IUPAC name should be, so where the OH group is present, you should give the number. You should give the number from what? Either of the side, because the OH group is present on the what? Middle carbon atom. Therefore 1, 2, 3, or you can also give 1, 2, 3. Therefore the OH group is present on what? Here? Second carbon atom only. So therefore the name becomes as propane, because there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. Propane, where the OH group is present, it is on the second carbon atom. Therefore propane 2, and what is the suffix? 2-ol. So the IUPAC name of this compound becomes as what? Propane 2-ol. Right? Let us go for another example. CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. Right? So the common name of this compound becomes as secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl means what? The OH group is present on the secondary carbon atom, as we have discussed in the classification, primary, secondary, right? So the OH group is present on the what is secondary carbon atom. That's why we have to make use of word called as what? Sec. This SEC indicates what is secondary. Sec, and how many carbon atoms are in total? 4 carbon atoms, means what here? Butyl. Secondary butyl, and which is the functional group here? OH group. Therefore this becomes as secondary butyl alcohol. And the IUPAC name of this compound. So the numbering should be given from the side in which functional group should get the least number. So if you give the numbering from left to right side, right, it will get the what? Second position. If you give the numbering from right to left side, the OH group will occupy the what? Third position. That's why we have to name this compound from the what? Left side to right side, right? So therefore OH group gets what? Second position. Therefore you have to name in IUPAC system. Total number of carbon atoms in the compound 4. So 4 means what? Butane, right? Because it consists of single bonds only, it becomes as butane. Where the OH group is present, it is present on the what? Second position. So therefore butane 2-ol. So this is the what here? IUPAC name. Let us go for another example called as CH3 CH3OH. So the name of this compound commonly called as what? Tertiary butyl alcohol. Similarly, as we have discussed in the classification, the OH group is present on the what? Tertiary carbon atom. That's why this compound is called as tertiary compound, right? Tertiary butyl. Butyl means what? It consists of again 4 carbon atoms. So therefore this becomes as tertiary. It is a short form of tertiary. Tertiary butyl. Butyl because it consists of 4 carbon atoms, butyl, and the functional group is alcoholic. Therefore the compound becomes as tertiary butyl alcohol. And the IUPAC name. IUPAC name, so that should be given to this compound. We have to follow the rules here. The OH group is present on which carbon atom? We have to check that one. So we have to consider the what? Longest chain. So we have to consider the longest chain that should consist of more number of carbon atoms along with functional group. So let us consider this is the longest chain. So this longest chain consists of how many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Right? So here on the second position, functional group is also attached along with what? One substituent. So the substituent, which substituent is present over here? Methyl group. Therefore, so we have to name the what is substituent first. That is commonly called as what? Prefix. So where the prefix is there? Second position. That becomes as 2-methyl. Because on the second position, methyl group is attached. This becomes as 2-methyl. And we have to go for the what? Root word. Root word indicates what? Total number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain. How many carbon atoms are in total? 3. So therefore root word becomes as what? Propane. Root word becomes as what? Prop. And this is a what here? Saturated. And we have to make use of what? Ane. So propane. Where the OH group is present? On the second position. So we have to mention that. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Right? So some examples. Let us go for another 2 examples. So those 2 examples I will write here. So the compound common name and what your IUPAC name. So we don't have common name for this compound. This is commonly called as what here, or in IUPAC system, cyclohexanol. This is called as what here, cyclohexanol, because if you remove this OH group, this becomes as what, cyclohexane ring. Cyclohexane ring is attached with what, OH group, therefore the suffix becomes as what, OL. That's why the name becomes as what, cyclohexanol. Let us go for another compound, OH, and then what here, CH3. So in this compound we have one substituent, right? So we have to give the numbering from the carbon having what, functional group. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what here, 5, right? Where the substituent is present over here, the substituent is present on the second position with respect to the functional group. Therefore you have to give the what is substituent as a prefix 2 methyl, because the substituent is a methyl group and it is present on the second position, 2 methyl, right? And you have to give the root word. Root word you have to what, go for the ring. So the ring is made by how many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms, means what? Cyclopentane ring it is. We have to write that one. Cyclopentane. And where the OH group is present, it is present on the what here? First carbon atom, 2 methyl cyclopentane 1R. So this is the IUPAC name of what? This compound. So these are some simple examples for what naming in common system as well as what a IUPAC system.